Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be doing the trend that's going on now. I tried following a blank makeup tutorial, so I chose Kathleen Lights. I'm going to follow one of her recent videos that she just did, and I'm so excited. I've been wanting to recreate this look anyway. I'm going to follow along exactly how she does her makeup. I'm going to do it, and hopefully her technique is not different than mine, which, let's face it, it probably is. I have my laptop here and I'm going to follow along as she's going. You're going to hear her while I'm playing it, but I don't know how to pop her on the screen. So I don't know how that's going to work yet, but hopefully I can learn how to pop it up on the screen by the time this video comes out. But we shall see. Other than that, I already know she did her base makeup already. She did her eyebrows, her foundation, her concealer, and her powders already. And she went straight into her eyeshadow. I am going to play it and start doing my makeup exactly the way she does it.
Hey guys, so today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look I'm wearing. I'm sorry that this is a voiceover intro, but I lost the footage of my intro, so I has to do a voiceover. But I've gotten a lot of requests from you guys over the past few days telling me to do a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial using my Dream Street palette. So that is what I'm doing for you guys today, another Dream Street tutorial. This is a rose gold smoky eye, perfect for Valentine's Day. And for today's tutorial, I'm mainly focusing on the eye makeup. So I already have my foundation, my concealer, and my powder on in this video. But I do show you everything else. But let's just go ahead and jump into it. I'm going to take my Dream Street palette, and the first eyeshadow I'm using is Magical. I'm going to use this color as my crease shade.
She went in with this shade right here, and she just went into the crease with that, which I'm going to do, and just put that shade in the crease before we move on.
Color, and then I'm going to take Shooting Star, and on a smaller brush, still a big fluffy brush, but not as fat, I'm applying this a little bit more precisely in the crease, not taking it as high up as I took Magical.
So she went in with this color right here, and she went with a smaller fluffy brush and into the crease, but not as high, she said.
You know what I'm saying? Oh, I took some powder and I applied this underneath the eye.
So she went in with powder. I'm going to see what else is next.
Because I did apply my foundation already, so I wanted the fallout to fall on the powder and not on my foundation. But I took the shade Twinkle, and this is the star of the show. I'm just applying this all over my lid with my finger.
So she took this shade right here and she put that all over her lid with her finger. I'm going to do the same thing. Oh, that's intense. Okay, let's see what else is next.
And then I went into Elfish, and I'm just applying this to the outer corners and dragging this color into my crease. I am going to start building this color up little by little as I go on in the tutorial, because I want it to be pretty dark in my crease. So I do go back into this eyeshadow a couple of times during the tutorial.
Okay, so she went in with this shade right here, outer corner and into the crease, and she built up the color. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So let's see what else is next.
I also don't want things to look too harsh in the crease, so I go back in with Shooting Star and I'm just blending out Elfish. I don't want it to have any harsh lines. I don't want it to look like, too intense. So I'm just constantly blending out the harsh edges.
Okay, so she's going in with this shade right now and blending out the edges.
And then I took some more of Magical to give it that peachy look in the crease. I really love how the peach just makes the crease pop. So I'm just...
Now she's going in with this shade again and putting that right into the crease again to give it a peachy look. Okay, so now that I did that, let me see what else is next.
Adding a little bit more of that. And then to highlight my brow bone, I'm going in with Moony, of course.
She went in with this shade right here, which is called Moony, and she highlighted her brow bone. I wish this thing had a mirror. Let's see what else is next.
I'm going to wet my brush, and I'm going to take a little bit more of Twinkle.
So she is wetting her brush. And then she's going back in with Twinkle, which is this shade right here. And so she just put that on her lids. Oh, let me see what she says.
Even though you don't need to wet this eyeshadow, it just looks so intense when you do. So I'm applying just a little bit more on my lid.
Okay, now that I've done that, let's see what else is next.
And then I went back into Elfish and I did the exact same thing. Just applying this to the outer corners and dragging that into the crease.
Okay, so she went in with this shade right here, darken the outer corner and into the crease some more.
And just blending, blending, blending. I'm gonna go back into Magical and you guessed it, add some more to the crease and blend some more.
So she's going in with the lid shade and just packing the color on there some more.
And then I just repeat this step a couple of times.
So she goes right back into the darker shade and blends it out some more. So I don't know how I feel about this look on me so far, but let's keep going and see what she does next.
For my lower lash line, I'm just going to take the same shades I used in my crease in the exact same order. A little bit of Magical, a little bit of Shooting Star, and a little bit of Elfish.
Okay, now she's doing her lower lash line and she's going in with this shade first, then she's going to go in with this shade and then this shade. So I'm going to follow those steps.
I'm just not going to drag Elfish all the way across my lower lash line. I'm just focusing this on the outer corners of my lower lash line just to mimic the top lid.
Okay, so let's see what else is next.
And then I went in with a deep brown eyeliner. This is the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil. I wanted like a deep chocolate color and I love these eyeliners. They're awesome.
So she went in with a Makeup Forever eyeliner. I don't have any Makeup Forever eyeliner. I do have this Marc Jacob brown eyeliner and this is in the shade Raw Cocoa. So I'm just going to go in with this in my inner waterline. And I think she tight lined with this on the upper lash line. So I'm going to try my hardest. I don't ever do that because I have sensitive eyes and I poke my eyes and my eyes get watery. So I am going to try that today. Okay, that was a mission to do, but I did it. Now she's going in with mascara. Now she's using some mascara that I don't have. I'm going to go in with my Tarte mascara, but let's see what mascara she's actually going to use.
And then for mascara, I went in with the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, and it's an awesome mascara. It makes your lashes look incredible, but I wanted something a little bit extra, but I didn't want to go in with falsies, so I went in with the Kiss Individual lashes, and I just applied some of these on the outer corners.
So the lashes I'm going to use today is the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes. Now I'm going to use these today because I don't have any individual lashes, which I mean to get some, but I just don't. I haven't picked some up, but I really do want to get them because I think individual lashes would be so much better with certain looks.
Well, not like only the outer corners, but I didn't drag it all the way in.
Okay, so let's see what else is next.
And then to finish up the face, I went in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette, and this is in the shade Dulce de Leche. I just used the contour side to contour my cheeks a little bit.
She's going way too fast. Okay, so I have the same Dulce de Leche palette. So it looks like she's going in with bronzer right now.
To bronze up the skin, I went in with the Jouer Suntan Bronzer. I love this bronzer. And I'm just applying this all over my face to give me a nice bronze look.
The bronzer she's using I don't have, so I'm going to go in with the Tarte bronzer. And I'm just going to bronze up my face.
I'm going to mix two blushes together, but I'm going to go in with the Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon Blush first. I love this blush. I can't get enough of it, but I wanted something a little bit pinkier, a little bit rosier to put on top. So I went in with the Essence Silky Touch blush in the shade Baby Doll, and this added the nice little pinky touch, perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm aware I went a little bit overboard with the blush.
Okay, so she went in with 2 blushes. I'm not going to go in with 2 blushes because I don't have the blushes she has anyway. But I have the Essence Satin Touch blush in Satin Love. She did use a Essence blush, so I'm just going to use this one and go on my cheeks with that. So let's see what else is next.
For highlight, I went in with the Amrezy highlight with Anastasia. It actually launches today when you're watching this. It launches on Valentine's Day. And it's amazing. It's beautiful. So I just popped that all over the place.
So I don't have that highlighter. I really want that highlighter, but I don't have it right now. So I am going to just use my Anastasia Glow Kit. And I am going to go in with Summer and Moonstone. These 2 shades right here. I'm just going to mix them together. And then highlight my face with that. So let's see what she does next.
And then I went in with the Ben Nye Final Seal Matte Makeup Sealer. And wow, I don't like this. I mean, obviously, what was I expecting? It's a matte makeup sealer, but I just wanted to test it.
Okay, so she used a setting spray. I don't have any matte setting sprays, and I don't know why she does. But I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting spray and spray my face. Alright, so let's see what she does next.
For my lip combo, I first lined my lips with the Catrice Lip Foundation. This is like the lightest one they have. I forget the name. It's not on the actual lip liner. And then I went over it with the ColourPop Luxe Lipstick in Boy because I wanted it just a little bit lighter. And this is like the perfect mixing lipstick. And then I wanted a glossy finish, so I went over it with the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Undressed, which is like a super nude, but it looks so pretty and juicy.
Okay, so she went in with lip colors that I do not have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Soap and Glory Naked Talent Bullet Lipstick. And I think it's kind of the same shade as she has. So I'm going to go in with that. And then to lighten it up, I'm going to use the Milani Plumper Lip Gloss in Soft Rose. And just go right on top of that color with this. Okay, you guys, I think she's done with this video, but I noticed that she has inner corner highlight and I don't know when she said to put it on. So I'm going to go in and assume she used Mooney in her eyeshadow palette. So this is the completed look, doing exactly what she did and when she did it. So this was really fun to do. I'm so happy I decided to do this. And I love Kathleen. She is amazing. It's darker than what I would have thought because I wanted to stop, but she kept going and building it up. So it did get a little bit more intense than I'm used to. But yeah, I like the way it came out. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. And if you've done this video, I would love to watch it and see it. Right now, I'm watching a whole bunch of them. And it's just so fun to watch. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below because I would love to have you guys here. And until next time, bye guys.